Hi students, in the previous video I made you understand about the concept of sentence and its parts. Today we shall learn about the different kinds of sentences. There are 5 kinds of sentences: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory and optative. Now let's learn these types of sentences. First is assertive. Assertive, these sentences are also known as declarative sentences, and these assertive sentences make only statement. They are known as statement sentences, and these assertive statements may be both affirmative or negative. Affirmative means positive statements, and negative means the statements which involve no, never, not, none. For example, she likes to play. This is an affirmative statement, means positive statement, as it is an assertive sentence but affirmative statement. Then she is a bright student. This is also an example of affirmative statement, positive statement. Then next, she doesn't like to play. This is a negative statement, a negative sentence. So, as assertive sentence both can be affirmative or negative. The next form is interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences are those sentences which ask question, and these questions are of different types. For example, some questions are yes-no questions. What are yes-no questions? Yes-no questions allows an affirmative or negative reply. Means answers to these questions are only yes or no. Do you, for example, did you go there? No. Are you willing to go there? No or yes. So these are yes-no questions where only reply is in these yes or no words. The next form is WH or H question. These WH or H question requires information like when, where, which, why and how. Means these are also known as WH or H words questions. For example, they begin with WH or H. Next is alternate question. Next type of question is alternate question, where there is choice. For example, these require a reply which relates to the option. When options are given, do you like tea or milk? Do you like coffee or milk? So these types of alternate questions. Now these are the 3 forms of questions: yes or no question, WH or H question, or alternate questions. These are the different forms of interrogatory statements. Next is imperative sentences. What are imperative sentences? These sentences involve command, request, advice, order, or any warning. For example, please fetch me a glass of water. Please, as this word tells, as this word conveys, whenever word please is used, it means it is a request. So this is a request sentence, imperative sentence. Next, shut the door. Leave the room at once. Avoid junk food. Don't tell a lie. These also. Shut the door. This is a command. Leave the room at once. Again, it is a command. Then avoid junk food. This is an advice. Means we should avoid junk food. We should not consume junk food. Next is don't tell a lie. Again, it is an advice. So these are some of the forms of imperative sentences. And here you observe, here subject is missing. Subject is hidden. In imperative sentences, subject is not directly given. It is assumed as you. Means you shut the door, you leave the room at once, you avoid junk food, you don't tell a lie, or you please fetch me a glass of water. You, the subject is only assumed. It's generally understood. It's not given in the sentences. So these are imperative sentences. Next, exclamatory sentences. These sentences are used to express certain feelings, emotions. For example, maybe it could be a fear, angry emotion, an anxiety, admiration, joy, excitement. Means any kind of sudden expression are expressed in exclamatory forms of sentences. For example, for exclamatory types of sentences, words like what, how, alas, hurrah, they are used. And these words, what and how, they are placed before a or an. For example, let us understand the construction of the sentence. What word is placed before a or an, then adjective or adverb, and then singular noun. And in whenever we use how for framing exclamatory sentences, we write word how, then we write adverb or adjective, then our noun, and then in the end verb. And sometimes in some of the sentences word so and such is also used. And alas and hurrah, these are interjections. Interjections are those words which express sudden feelings, and they follow exclamatory mark. So these kinds of sentences which begin with words like what, how, alas, hurrah are exclamatory sentences. Next, optative sentences. Optative sentences are different from exclamatory sentences. In exclamatory sentences, sudden feelings or emotions are expressed, whereas in optative sentences, they are used to express wish, pray or blessings. For example, may you live long, I wish I were a king, I were a millionaire, I were a queen, means wishing, someone is wishing. And whenever these wishes, praise or blessings are made, we use optative sentences. They are expressed in optative sentences. So these are the 5 kinds of sentences.